Okay, I'm back again. Okay, this is my third box today. In case you're wondering why I've got the same topic as the other videos. Now this one is one that you should probably all familiar with by now. It's the Degustabox, which I get every month. It does feel a bit heavier than normal, so there must be some bigger things in it, I wonder. People often wonder why I like doing this, but it's just, I love just getting these boxes and you don't know what's in them. And then you open them and it's like, wow. Like, oh, it's either wow or it's, what have you said with that? So, anyway, let's see if this is what a wow one one. Okay, so Degustabox is a snack box, $12.99 a month, and it comes with all these sort of little snacks and food items, menus, and you all full size items that is, and you usually get about 10, maybe more. So they always come in these boxes. That's how you know it's from the Degustabox, because it'll say on the front. And then here's some rally, and then at the top you can just see you get like this here. So it's like brown kind of paper packaging and a piece of box. That's all that'll come. Now I do get these boxes for review. I don't pay for them. I have done for a while. That's another reason why I make these videos. So in every box you will get these like little leaflets. This does give an indication of what the other things are in the box. You get, there's this one too. There's quite a few in this actually. Sometimes you get discount codes. And then you get like, that shows you what's in the box, but I'm not going to go into that just yet. I'm just going to pull everything out and have a look. Okay? So, really heavy this one actually. Let me show you so you can see. That's how I'm going to do it like that. Okay, so the first thing is this like orangey thing. And this is, okay, so I'm a really big lover of tea. And I'm really glad that this is here. I found this one. I don't like the old flavoured tea, but this seems to be like the normal tea. And it's clipper tea. And there's 80 tea bags in that box. I can't imagine that being a really cheap item on its own. You can just find the price. It's, normally you pay £2.89 just for that alone. The whole box costs £12.99. And there's like tons of other stuff in it. So there's my tea. I'll put that down then. So this is, I think this probably goes with the tea, but it's a different brand. This is like called Lift. It's instant lemon tea. I'm just going to have a look what you do with that. That costs £1.49. I don't know if you add it to tea or, yeah, I think you add it to tea. It's not really my sort of thing, lemon tea, but what I do, if I don't like something, then it's almost guaranteed that someone else will, be it my kids or my mum or my friends. So I just pass the stuff on what I don't use, and then it don't get wasted. Okay, so already we've got £1.49. That's over £4 worth already in just 2 items. Now these are, so it says Jack Daniel's Tennessee Honey Liqueur Lemonade. Now that is 5% volume. The alcohol does, you can choose whether to get alcohol or not, but as I'm a reviewer I just get all the items anyway. You might not get all of the items that I have in the boxes because some of them will contain alcohol and some won't, but just to show you, there is 2 cans of this stuff. Now I'm going to have a look what that's got in it. That costs £2 a can, and it's a mix of Jack Daniel's, honey and zesty. I mean, it's of Jack Daniel's with honey and zesty lemonade. So yeah, I'm not really a big drinker, but I may just give it a try one night. If not, if I don't like it, I'll just pass it to someone else, because there'll be plenty of people around here who will drink this, I believe. Okay, so, oh wow, this is a new one. This is Shreddies, but not just Shreddies, breakfast to go. So what it looks like you get with this, you get the breakfast cereal in like a little tub there of Shreddies, and then you get the milk on top, which is quite cool really, because who gets time to go out and buy Oh, you also get a spoon. I'm assuming the spoon. I was wondering if it was actually a spoon. So that really is like a breakfast on the go. I mean, you could sit on a train and eat that, or a car, or maybe even when you're walking. I don't know. But yeah, that's quite a good idea. And that costs £1.99. Not too bad. Next we have some cereal. Oh, this box got a theme, I'm wondering. This box does have a theme, sorry, it's a winter armour box, that's why there's a lot of like tea stuff and breakfast type stuff, like this one. This is spoon granola cherry bomb. Doesn't really say what's in it. Oh yeah, whole grain oat granola with pumpkin seeds and a natural cherry hit. Lightly spiced with cinnamon, nutmeg. Basically berry granola, but better. So there you go, full size box of the granola. We will give that a try. That costs, there isn't actually a price for that one on there, so I imagine maybe not everyone will get that in, because it does seem, I don't know if it's an extra item or not, but I can't find the price of that on my list. Maybe I'm missing it, I don't know. But there you go, got that one. We have got, are these the same? Yes, they are. So we've got some drinks called Upbeat, which are, they're still drinks. One's some lemon and one's a blueberry and raspberry. Enriched hydration for strength, energy and mental performance. So they're both some juices. I think that's what made their box so heavy before. See if I can find a price for those. Yeah, they are £1.59 each. And then I got, what's this? Okay, so I do find I got a lot of cooking sauces in this box. Some I use, some I don't. This one sounds okay. From the, it's the Santa Maria Latin American Kitchen, and it is a Venezuela coconut and lime sauce. So I mentioned you can mix that with chicken, meat, that sort of thing. Okay, it's a full size sauce for cooking. And then I got, so there's a Kit Kat salted caramel, which I will be eating myself once this video is over, because I'll be getting this. And there is a Get Fruity Moist Mixed Bar. I don't know whether kids will have that or not. They're a bit funny when it comes to stuff like this, like fruity bars and all that. And then my final item is, I think it's, yep, a ginger beer. Let's see if it's alcoholic or not. Come on. Okay, so ginger beer, fermented taste of ginger. No, I think it seems to be a soft drink of ginger beer, not alcohol. I can't find any alcohol percentage on that. Oh wait, no, that's something else. So that's ginger beer, but without the alcohol. And that is, how much that is? And the offer, that's £1.19, and the Fruity Moist Bar was 70p, and the Cat was 65, so yes. Oh no, it's not a box. I don't know if you can see those prices there. But all the prices are like on there. So it is worth over £12.99. And there are, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've got 12 items in this one for £12.99. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and also I've opened my blog, busymummy.com. Be there, be square. Bye.